Hi folks, very excited to be with you today to do a little bit of talking about Toyota's Certified Pre-Owned program. I'm Ricky Stout from Anderson Toyota. We have a big saying here at Anderson Toyota that the best new cars make the best used cars. Well, nothing can be more true when you talk about the Certified program with Toyota. It's a 160-point inspection, 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 12-month, 12,000 limited bumper-to-bumper warranty, and 1 year of roadside assistance. It truly is the best of the best, and you get to save thousands and thousands of dollars. Here's a perfect example. 2018 TRD Tacoma Sport, double cab, 4x4, sweetest vehicle, sweetest truck on the planet, and this is a certified vehicle. 5,000 miles, save a bunch of money on the purchase of the car, plus you get all the benefits of being certified through Toyota. Also, if you finance your vehicle, certified vehicles are treated as new, so they get new car financing. Another bonus for the certified program. Came across this a little while ago, 2019 Kelly Blue Book poll ranked Toyota Tacoma #1 resale value 5 years in a row. This is just an example of what you'll find at Anderson Toyota. Come out, check it out. The certified program covers all Toyotas, the whole line. But if you're interested in a really bad boy truck, this is your guy. Thanks a lot. I'm Ricky Stout. We'll see you out in the corner of Perryville and Riverside.